Hey everyone, in today's video what I wanted to do is show you how you can quickly and easily figure out not only what iPad you have, but also the software version, better known as iOS, along with your model number and serial numbers so that you can figure out if your iPad still has a warranty on it and what is the capacity of your iPad. So what's the gigabyte that you have and how much gigabyte space do you still have left? So stay tuned. Hey there, if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Audrey with Simplifying Tech, and my brother Ben and I are on this mission to help cut down on the frustration that you may be feeling when it comes to learning all this new technology so that you can stay connected to family and friends. If this video helps you in any way, give it a like. Hit the subscribe button along with the bell button so you're notified every single time that we put up one of these video tutorials. So our dad is the driving force behind everything that we do here at Simplifying Tech for seniors. Unfortunately, we lost our dad on December 9th and he went home to be with the Lord. But Ben and I actually inherited his iPad mini. But that's all we knew, was that it was an iPad mini. So I figured what I would do is just jump in here, show you how we figured out what type of iPad, the iOS and everything else, so that you can also do the same thing. So let's jump right in. So here we are on the home screen of my dad's iPad mini. And the first thing that you want to do is find the settings icon. Anytime you see this icon, that is the settings icon. So we're going to tap on that. And now you'll notice that it has general. This automatically came to general, but if you might be on something else, but you want to make sure that you're on general and then tap on about. From here, this is where you can see your software version or your iOS is at 12.5. So that's what this iPad mini is operating on, is at 12.5. Sometimes what you'll see or you'll hear on video tutorials is, hey, this is an iPad iOS 15 or iOS 16, and each operating system does something totally different. The next thing is your model name. And so your name is the iPad mini 2. So that lets me know that this is what this iPad is. Here's my model number along with the serial number, and that's where you would need those two numbers, or at least your serial number, to tell if this iPad is still under warranty. And then right here where it has capacity, so my dad got this iPad and it was 32 gigabyte, but he only has 9.46 gigabyte left on this iPad. And of course, if you do have a carrier, if your iPad is Wi-Fi and cellular data, then he had this under his Verizon network. And then it also attached a cellular data number, which we no longer need now. But that's how easy it is to find this information. Let's say that you're not able to turn on the iPad, or maybe it's dead and you're charging the battery. Another way that you can figure out what type of iPad you have is also going on the back. Make sure you have a magnifying glass first, or maybe if you've already got good eyesight, that's great. But on the back of your iPad, right here, you're going to see a whole bunch of little numbers under there. From there, you'll be able to get the serial number along with the model number, and then you can go plug that in Google or even on Apple's website, and it'll be able to tell you what type of iPad you have as well. And there you have it. That's how simple it was. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And until next video, y'all be blessed. Bye.